Sit down. Okay. Now what is this? B. What comes after K? What comes after K? L. So today now we'll do capital L, small l. Say capital L, small l. Acha. Then now tell me what is this? What is this?
Leaf.
What is this?
Leaf.
Leaf for leaf. What is this? Leaf. What is the color of the leaf?
Leaf.
Okay. Where do you see the leaf? In the? On the tree. Very good. Clap for her. You see the leaf on the tree. So L for leaf. L for leaf. Yes. Very good. L for leaf. L E A S. Leaf. L for leaf. L for
Leaf.
okay. Then what is this?
Log.
L for
Log.
L for
Log.
L for.
Log.
Now what do you do with this lock? Huh?
Log.
Tala. What do you do with the lock? Huh? House. When you have to lock something. Yes. To lock the house or lock the cupboard, then you put the lock. Now, okay? Lock. Yes. Come on, Jao. Go and put the lock on this, on the door. Come on, quick, go. Yes. Very good. L for lock. Are you able to do it? Yes. Just press it little. Press it little. Yes. L for, very good. Clap for her. L for lock. Okay. L O C K. Lock. L for leaf. L for lock. Acha, now what is this? Chipkli. What is chipkli called? Lizard. What is this? Where do you see the lizard? On the wall. Do you like it? Acha, do you like cats? Do you like cat? You don't like cat? Do you like rabbits? You touch them and you feel good? Can you touch a lizard? Touch it? Do you like touching the lizard? I'm very scared. Are you scared of lizard or no? Yes? You are not scared of lizard? Very brave girl. Okay. L for lizard. L I Z Z Z A R D. Lizard. L for leaf. L for lock. L for lizard. Fine. Now, can you tell me who is जंगल का राजा? जंगल का राजा है कौन? शेर उसे हम कहते हैं. जंगल का राजा है कौन? शेर उसे हम कहते हैं. Lion. L for lion is the king of the jungle. Lion is the king of the jungle. राजा जी पधार रहे हैं अगेन, है ना? Okay. L for lion. What does the lion say? Meow. Bow bow. Then? Oh. Okay. The lion roars. Okay. L L-I-O-N. Lion. L for leaf. L for long. L for lizard. L for lion. Now, do you know what is the house of the lion called? Where does the lion live? In the jungle. And he makes a den. He makes a den and he lives in it. एक गुफा होती है, a cave, and he make a special cave that is called den. Den. So the lion lives in a den. Achha, now what is this? So all of you show your lips. Lips. How many? Lips. Okay? Okay. L for lips. All of you show your lips. Lips. Okay, what do you put on the lips? Yes, what do you put? Lipstick. Do you like putting lipstick? When you dance on the stage, then auntie had put lipstick on your lips. Okay. L for lips. L for L-I-P-S. Lips. L for lizard. Lips. Okay, very good. Now, what is this? Leg. How many legs do you have? 2. What do you do with the legs? Walk and run. Jump. Come here. Show. What do you do with your legs? What do you do with your legs? Walk. Jump. Okay, then run. Walk. Very good. So L for leg. Again, L for leg. L-E-G. Leg. L for leaf. L for long. L for lizard. L for okay. Then, now what is this? Nimbu. What is this called? Lemon. What is this called? Lemon. Is it sweet or sour? Is it sweet or sour? Sour. The lemon is sour. Sour. All of you show sour. Okay. What is the color of the lemon? Yes. Now, do you know what do you do with, if you put this lemon juice in water, what does it become? Sharbat. Very good. Sharbat. What is this sharbat called? Nahi beta, that is lemonade. Shikanji. Have you heard of shikanji? Lemonade. So what do? You take little water, put lemon juice, put sugar, little salt, mix and drink. And it is very good. When it is very hot, if you drink this lemonade, you will feel cool. It is very good. Lemonade, shikanji is very good if you drink on a sunny day. Okay, let's all make lemonade now. First take a glass. Take a glass. Sit there. We'll all enact. Take a glass. Put water. This is jug. Put water. J for jug. G for glass. Now put water. Right? Now take lemon. Squeeze. So lemon juice have gone in. Now take sugar. Little bit of salt. Mix it. Mix. Drink. So what was this? Lemonade. L for lemonade. Shikanji. Okay, so this is very good when it is hot. L for lemon. L for lemon. Okay. L E M O N. Okay. L for leaf. L for lemon. Okay. Now, what is this? What is this? Lady finger. L for? What do you do with lady finger? No, what do you do? What do you do? Sabzi you make. Yes, how do you cook? First, cut. Then, put it in a pan. Put all masala, spices and then cook and then you eat. So L for lady's finger. Right? C, okay. So L for Acha. LADYS FINGER. Okay, L for leaf. L for lizard. Lemon. And what is this? Lotus. Lotus. Where do you see the lotus? In the water. Very good. L for lotus. LOTUS. Okay. Right. Then what is this? Sorry. What is this? It's a yes. Lollipop. What is this? L for lollipop. Lollipop. On a long stick. Lollipop. Lollipop. Good for a lick. What is lick? How do you eat the lollipop? You lick like this. This is called lick. Okay, all of you. Lollipop. Lollipop. On a long stick. Lollipop. Lollipop. Good for a lick. Now lick it. Okay. A bite. What is bite? When you cut it. A bite. Say a bite. And a lick. A bite. And a lick. Lollipop. Lollipop. On a long stick. Okay. So now L for leaf. L for lock. L for lizard. And L for lollipop. Okay, now one of you come and underline L. Acha, you come. Underline all the L. Yes? Okay, very good, very good, very good. Right? So now, okay, what comes after L? What comes after L? What comes after L? Start saying it. A, wait, stop. So what comes after L? M. What comes after L? Okay. M. So capital M, small m. Capital M, small m. Acha, right. Now, who is the king of the jungle animals? King of the animals. Just now we read. Yes? Lion. King of the animals. King of the jungle. Who is king of the jungle? Lion. And who is the king of the fruit? Mango is the king of the fruit. What is the color of the mango? Is it yellow and green? Brown? No, it's yellow or green. Is it sweet or sour? Sweet. When it is raw, kacha, when it is raw, it is sour. Yes. When it ripes, then it becomes sweet. Okay. Then M for mango. M for M-A-N-G-O. Mango. Mango is the king of the fruit. Okay? Acha. Now, at night, in the sky, what are the things do you see? At night. Acha, otherwise also tell me, what do you see in the sky? Clouds. Then? Sun. Birds. Sometimes aeroplane. And when it is night, dark, what do you see? Stars and moon. So M for moon. Rocket, acha, okay. Rocket, acha. M for moon. Chanda mama, okay. M for moon. M for now. I see the moon. The moon sees me. God bless the moon. And God bless me. Then moon is outside in the sky. Moon can see me. I can see the moon. And God. Who is God? Bhagwan. कि भगवान moon को भी अच्छा अच्छा रखो, मुझे भी अच्छा अच्छा रखो. So I see the moon. The moon sees me. God bless the moon. God bless me. Okay, now what is this? Rat or mouse. M for mouse. M for M-O-U-S-E. Mouse. Now what does the mouse eat? What does the mouse do? Polythene, it eats the polythene, okay. What else? Atta, okay. Kapde. Book. So mouse eats everything. Whatever it finds, it eats everything. Now, but there is an animal who eats the mouse. Which is the animal who eats the mouse? Cat. Cat eats the mouse? Okay, so now we'll say a poem. Okay? दो चूहे थे, मोटे मोटे थे, तगड़े तगड़े थे, खेल रहे थे. आई बोली मैं भी अच्छा, okay, let me say one sentence and then you repeat, because there are few girls who don't know this poem. Okay? दो चूहे थे, मोटे मोटे थे, तगड़े तगड़े थे, खेल रहे थे। बिल्ली मौसी आई, बोली मैं भी खेलूंगी, बच्चों मैं भी खेलूंगी। ना मौसी ना, गला काट डालोगी, मूछें मोड़ डालोगी, हमें खा जाओगी। Okay, so cat they always they run after the mouse to eat them. Okay, right. Now I'll draw something. Now you tell this. See. Now look at this and tell me what is it. Now what is this? Tell me. Acha, watch. Now watch is this. This is clock. Watch is what you wear in your wrist, on your wrist. That is watch. This is clock. So now there was a mouse here, right? There was a mouse here. Yes. And when the mouse saw this big clock, it went up, right? And what happened? Suddenly it was 1 o'clock. When it was 1 o'clock, it made the sound of ton. Yes. And the mouse was here, he got scared and he came down. Yes? Okay. Hickory dickory dock, the mouse ran up the clock, the clock struck 1. The mouse ran down, hickory dickory dock. Okay? So now what happened? The mouse went up, and when it was 1 o'clock, when the mouse heard the sound 1, it got scared and it came down. Okay? So now what is this? What is this? Mat. Now can you see a mat in the classroom? Where is it? Can you see a mat somewhere here in the classroom? Do you know where is the mat? Go and bring it. Who will go and bring? Yes, go. Yes, take out the mat. Yes? Very good. Yes, take it out. Okay. M for mat. M for mat. Spread it. Yes, very good. M for mat. What is this? Mat. M for mat. Very good. Clap for her. She found the mat. Now roll it and keep it back. M-A-T. Mat. M for mango. M for moon. M for mouse. M for mat. Acha, now what is this? Monkey. Are the monkeys very nice or are they naughty? Are they nice or naughty? Not okay. M-O-N-K-E-Y. Monkey. The monkeys are very naughty. Yes? Where do you see the monkey? On the tree. They run around. They pick up things and run away. Yes? Sometimes you keep something outside and the monkeys come and take the thing. Yes? Banana. Yes, they like eating banana. So there were 3 monkeys. There were 3 monkeys. So there were 3 monkeys. How many monkeys were there? 3. There were 3 monkeys. Right? And they were sitting on a tree. There were 3 naughty monkeys. There were 3 naughty monkeys who were sitting on a tree, right? So now we'll say the poem. Ha ha ha. He. 3 naughty monkeys sitting on a tree. One fell down and hurt its knee. Ha ha ha. He. Again, what happened? When the monkey fell down, it hurt its knee. What is knee? What is knee? Come here. No, knee. What is knee? This is knee. Gutna. This is called knee. Knee. Okay, go and sit. So, ha ha ha. He. 3 naughty monkeys sitting on a tree. One fell down and hurt its knee. Ha ha ha. He. Okay, so M for monkey. Now, what is this? Yes, what is this? Matchbox. What is this? Matchbox. Now what do you do with the matchbox? What do you do with it? What do you do with this? What do you do with this? Jalate hai. What? Some gas and chula, lamp. Okay, so M for match. M for matchbox. M for matchbox. Right? Yes, M for matchbox. M for mango. M for moon. M for mouse. M for match. M for monkey. M for matchbox. Right. Then, who cooks for you at home? Who cooks food for you at home? घर में कौन खाना बनाता? Who cooks food for you? Mummy. M for mummy. Yes? Yes. Mummy darling. Good, clap for them. So M for mummy. M for mummy. Right? So M for mummy. M for mango. M for mango. M for moon. M for mouse. M for mat. M for monkey. M for matchbox. M for mummy. Okay now? Yes, come and underline all M. All M. Very good, good, good. Yes, yes. Very good. Yes. What? Wait. Look here carefully. Yes. Yes, very good. Okay, clap for her. Right? Okay, so now please stand up, children.